I'm at Assembly Mesukeskus in Helsinki. Originally, back in the old days, this was a LAN party. But now it's a computer festival and an esports event. It's just a place for the coolest gamers, developers, anyone who enjoys sitting in front of a computer screen in a dark room with hundreds of other people just like them. Anyone to come here and enjoy this. So Immersal is here because we are working together with Game Jam. Game Jam is organized as part of Assembly to support and develop Finnish game production. So in this Game Jam event, game makers are put into teams and they're given a theme and they're given 3 days to come up with a game.
The whole industry.
Okay.
So for me, it's really about you just like you meet new people and then you come up with a whole new idea and you do it in 3 days.
Yes.
And you learn.
Yeah.
We always tend to go for the insanely ambitious projects. So, and these kind of events really push us to actually achieve the ambitious goals because we have told people what we're going to be doing. So we have to do it. We have to deliver.
Eeva and Tipi are from Punnu Games in Turku. I was interested in talking to them about the AR game they're building as part of Game Jam, especially because they're using our very own Immersal AR Cloud SDK to do it.
Unity has had the Euphoria for some time, but I haven't really gotten into it. It didn't feel like intuitive to use it.
Okay.
So actually I bumped into Immersal I think just a month ago or something, and then I was like, okay, this seems interesting, and now again here.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, we are definitely
this is
using
a sign.
this. Yes, we have to. And once I opened the repository and got to work with it, I was like, okay, this is exactly what I've been looking for.
By the way, we have not paid her to say this. We have not planned this, so it's awesome. Can you tell us about the game?
Oh, okay. The game, it's a little bit of a crazy idea. So you are fighting against these super evil
not just normal evil, super evil.
Super evil croissants, yes.
Okay.
That are attacking you from all around you, and you need to be very, very vigilant and make sure that you don't die because they kill you if they hit you.
Okay. I left Tipi and Eeva so they could get back to working on their game, and I checked in with them the next morning. I'm here, it's Sunday morning with Tipi and Eeva. So how did it go? Did you manage to finish on time?
Yeah, we actually did. We finished last night. We still have a few features we want to add, but we're gonna develop the game further and add some more there. And but yes, tired but very happy now.
Well, congratulations. How was your overall experience using the Immersal SDK?
We haven't really done AR before, so it was like a really nice dip into the AR pool and just kind of made it easier to start and just get familiar with everything and how it works. And because you had the examples there, that made it very easy just to kind of, we opened one up and we, okay, how does this work? How do we use this? How do we utilize this for our game? So it definitely made it easier, definitely.
Yeah, and it's kind of because it's very flexible, so you can get very creative with it, which is something I really like. And we have this plan on creating, like with starting develop this really large scale location-based AR game. It's related to energy consumption and kind of like educating people on how to make better choices and also make it like super entertaining. And for that, like the Immersal was like, it was dropped to our laps like, oh, this is exactly what we need. So yeah, we'll definitely be using that on a much larger scale than just the Game Jam game. But it was, yeah, it's very, very nice tool. Feels very good to use.
Okay, so thanks again to Eeva and Tipi from Punnu Games. We're really glad to hear that the Immersal AR Cloud SDK was helpful for you with Game Jam. And we look forward to seeing the next project. This is me, Tan Lei. Thanks for watching. Signing off from Assembly 2019.